Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update 1099B cost basis imports into TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your 1099B cost basis imports into TurboTax, start by launching the TurboTax application on your computer. Sign into your TurboTax account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Federal section of the software. Look for the Wages and Income tab and click on it. Scroll down to the Investment Income section. Click on Stocks, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other. If you have previously imported your 1099B, select the entry that corresponds to the 1099B you wish to update. Click on Edit or Update next to the selected entry. You will now see the details of your current cost basis. To update the cost basis, locate the Cost Basis field. Enter the correct cost basis information as per your records. If your 1099B shows options for adjusting your cost basis, review those options carefully. Make sure to include any additional adjustments that may apply, such as commissions or fees. Once you have updated the cost basis, proceed to review the rest of the transaction details. Confirm that all other information such as date acquired, date sold, and sales proceeds. After verifying all details, click Continue or Save to apply your updates. TurboTax will guide you through the rest of the process for reporting your investment income. Review your entries one final time to ensure everything is accurate. Once completed, navigate to the Summary section to see your updated tax profile. Finally, proceed to the filing steps as prompted to finalize your tax return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.